Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your analog stick problem on PSP 1000, because 1000 PSP analog sticks is working on the contacts. So basically I will show you how you can fix that. So if you have the analog stick drifting, what we need to do is go to settings, then go to system settings, system information, and then hold it up like that and rotate it for the 30 seconds. If that doesn't help, we will do another solution that could help you. So basically you'll have these screws right here. So 1, 2, and right here other screws. So what we need to do is tighten those screws a little bit more. So this will allow the faceplate to properly sit on the contacts, and that should help your problem to be fixed. So let's tighten the screws. Just a little bit hard to point from the camera. Okay, so tighten those screws and this should fix your problem. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.